Does it feel like your body has completely changed since menopause? Like your belly fat has taken on a life of its own? Maybe you've noticed your belly fat going from soft to firm, like you feel bloated and pregnant all the time. That's actually a big red flag for your health and indicates you're gaining visceral fat, which is even worse for your health and can drive whole body inflammation more than the subcutaneous fat, which is found between your muscle and skin layer. That subcutaneous fat is more soft and squishy, but the visceral fat is what makes that belly feel firm. And we know excess belly fat is linked to diseases commonly attributed to aging, like diabetes, heart disease, and certain types of cancers and dementias. If you're anything like the people that we help, your favorite clothes don't fit right anymore. You sit down and there's a muffin top spilling over your waistband that you don't like. I know it's frustrating, it's uncomfortable, and no matter how little you eat or how many diets you try, nothing seems to work. This belly fat can honestly start to make you feel desperate for an instant solution or quick fix to this post-menopause belly fat. It might feel like you've tried everything, like Weight Watchers, keto, intermittent fasting, Nutrisystem, Optavia, GLP-1 medications, and all the popular diets, but nothing is working, at least not long-term. I've heard women say before they felt like they dieted their way to being overweight and sick, like they don't understand how they could eat so little but weigh so much. If this sounds familiar, type yes in the comments for me so that you know you're not alone. This is one of the biggest struggles that women over 50 face. But here's the thing. It's not just a part of getting older that you have to accept. There's a reason why this is happening, and there's also a way to reverse it. I'm Dr. Morgan Nolte, founder of Zivli, where we help you lose weight, keep it off, and get healthy with a low insulin and inflammation lifestyle. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so that you never miss out on tips that help you live a healthier, happier life. In this video, I'm going to break down the number one thing that stops women over 50 from losing belly fat, and more importantly, what you can do to fix it so that you can finally lose weight, keep it off, and feel confident in your body again. It is possible to lose this belly fat, fit into your cute clothes again, feel confident in a swimsuit or a sleeveless shirt, and just have more energy and confidence in general to do what you want. And who doesn't want more of that, right? I don't just want you to take my word for it either. Let me introduce you to Tracy. She's one of our Zivli members, and using the system that I'll introduce you to in this video, she lost 50 pounds in 1 year with doable, sustainable lifestyle changes. And that wasn't even the best part. She also got off her blood pressure medication, prevented diabetes, and felt confident and proud in her swimsuit when she was on vacation with her husband. How did she do it? She fixed her underlying insulin resistance, which is the number one reason that women over 50 struggle with belly fat. Now, if you've never heard of insulin resistance, I'm not surprised. Most primary healthcare providers either don't have the time or knowledge to educate their patients about metabolic health and the nuances of losing weight after menopause, and that is why this channel exists. If you've gone through menopause, you have experienced a massive hormonal shift. When you were younger, estrogen helped protect against insulin resistance. But as estrogen declines, insulin levels start to rise, and insulin is your fat creation and storage hormone. At the same time, two other important hormones, human growth hormone and testosterone, decline. These are critical for muscle growth and maintenance. And here's why that matters. Less muscle equals higher insulin resistance and more fat storage. This is why you might feel like you're barely eating, yet your body is holding on to every single calorie you eat for dear life, especially around your belly. And to make things even more challenging, when you go through menopause, your fat tissue becomes more valuable real estate. Think of your fat tissue after menopause like Boardwalk and Monopoly. Your body isn't going to give it up easily. Why is this? Well, because once your ovaries stop producing estrogen, your adrenal glands and fat tissue take over as your body's backup estrogen producers. But here's the problem. If you're constantly stressed or not sleeping well, your adrenal glands are too busy producing cortisol, the stress hormone, so your fat tissue becomes the main source of estrogen production. And that makes your body even less likely to let go of that stored fat because estrogen isn't just a reproductive hormone. It's important for your cognition and bone health and skin and so many other things in your body. So if you're serious about losing belly fat after 50, you must adopt a lifestyle that keeps insulin low, stress low, and muscle high. Diets won't fix this. Quick fixes won't fix this. Medications may be a bridge or a jumpstart, but you cannot circumvent the required lifestyle changes needed to keep insulin and inflammation low so that whatever weight you do lose can stay off. The only way to lose belly fat and keep it off is through a sustainable, low insulin and inflammation lifestyle that supports healthy muscle. Now, there are 4 main pillars to this. The first is nutrition, not just what you eat, but also when you eat. And this includes reducing sugar, refined carbs, and processed foods that spike insulin. The second is stress management. Chronic stress leads to high cortisol, which worsens insulin resistance and keeps belly fat locked in place. The next pillar is sleep. Poor sleep increases insulin resistance, food cravings, and weight gain. The fourth is physical activity. Prioritizing strength training to build and maintain muscle, which naturally improves insulin sensitivity and boosts metabolism, is key, especially after menopause. And all of these lifestyle pillars are built on a foundation of mindset, because you'll never achieve long-term results with a short-term, weak mindset. So now you know, belly fat after 50 isn't just about eating too much or moving too little. It's about hormones, insulin resistance, and inflammation. But the good news is that you can reverse insulin resistance. If you're ready to take action and learn exactly how to live a low insulin and inflammation lifestyle, I want you to take our insulin resistance diet blueprint. This 3-part video training series will teach you the need to know information about insulin resistance, the right foods to eat, and the lifestyle changes required to lose this belly fat and keep it off. No more guessing, no more Google rabbit holes, just a clear, proven strategy to get results. Go to zivli.com/blueprint or click the link in the description to get started. And if this video was helpful, be sure to like it, subscribe to this channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about how to eat to lower insulin resistance, check out this video next, where I cover 8 insulin resistance diet tips to lower insulin fast. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.